Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds HONOR Earbuds X6. And to use gestures you need to locate touch areas. Touch areas located at the back side of your earbuds. And right here at the top we have it. Now let me play some song. So if you press 2 times on your left or right earbud, you will play or pause the song or the movie. 1, 2. I just pause it. 1, 2. It's the same with the left one. As you can see, I can play and pause with the left one also. Now, if you press 3 times at your right earbud, you will play next track. 1, 2, 3. And if you press 3 times at your left earbud, you will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Now, also you have a single press, and if you single press on your left or right earbud while someone calls to you, you can answer the call. And then with a single press you can finish the call. But also you can reject a call, and we need to set it, because by default you cannot reject a call. So to customize gestures we need to open HONOR AI Space application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see them at the device list. Tap on it and go to shortcuts. And right here, as you can see, we have this gesture. You can customize it. For the triple press, you have only play previous and next track, so there's nothing to customize. But you can customize your double press, and you can add, let's say, to wake up voice assistant. Right here in the press and hold, we only have one option, is to reject a call, and you need to enable it. And now, if you press and hold, you will reject a call. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.